Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Almost forgot the music again. There we go. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you're gonna do with your instant noodles, whether you like it or not. Today I've got something that came from a reader named James from Lakeside, California. This is Itomen Sansai Udon? I think? Yeah. So, Rotato's on and I put that on there. So, it's a bowl variety. So I'm going to put it all in this pot and we're going to make it go. Alright? It's going to go and it's going to go well. I guess it just doesn't seem like thicker. There's something, might have been a little loss of translation goodness. But. So, check all that out. That? No? Adding everything in except for this little tiny sachet, which is shichimi. I know that much. At least I think I know that much. But more often than not, that's what it's gonna be. It's not. Yeah, that's a little bit of spice mix. But yeah, this dude James, I'd never talked to him before, and he's like, hey, I went and I looked at your big list and I found all these things that you haven't had. Which, honestly, I was like, yeah. And he wanted to send them to me, so he did, and this is one of them. I swear I've seen this before. I honestly think I had it and then it like went way past expiration and I chucked it and I never like re-upped it or anything. That's the thing, it's like sometimes I'll have stuff and it's like, I never get to it, you know, and then it's like, well, that's way past its bedtime, so. And away it goes, you know. 3 minutes on the clock, starting now. So yeah, let's see, what's going on? Oh, so I've been doing, since Miles is home from school for the holiday, he'll be going back, let's see, it's Friday, so he'll be back on Monday. He's gonna be stoked. Get away from his little sister a little bit. But, actually, they've been really good. But I've been doing all these apartment laps. Ah, man. And, this dude who I think used to be in town, dude named Ken S. Shout out. He's been doing more and more steps, so he's become a bit of a nuisance. It's like there can be only one, dude. What's the other one? So be it, Jedi. You know, I don't like to lose on all this Fitbit crap, so I tend not to, although there was some lady, she ended up trouncing me, but she said, okay, well, I'm never gonna challenge you again, I beat you, and I'm never gonna do it again, because I, like, literally felt like I was gonna die this week. I'm like, okay, no rematch. I'm semi-okay with that, but mostly not, because it's like, I gotta, you know, give me a chance, you know, let me redeem myself, but, yeah, I dig. It's weird because there's like certain people that get like really competitive. I'm one of them, and I think at this point I've walked that Ken dude into the dirt. I'll take care of it. But today, after I'm done, I'm gonna do more walking back and forth. I'm about 30,000 steps right now, which is close to 15 miles. And by the end of the day, I should be 42,000. And about an hour ago, I was 23,000 steps ahead of him. So that works. That's a good way. Let's see. I wonder if it'll show me where I'm at right now. Yeah, I got 29,230. Oh, he's fighting back. He's got a ways to go, but that's the thing too. I've seen this guy like get loads of steps in a really short period of time, which I had a guy once that did that, and it was like it turned out he was riding a bike. It's a walking thing. It's not a biking thing. But it's like these Fitbits, they don't know the difference. You're holding the handlebars. If you're going over tons of bumps, it doesn't know the difference between a bump and a step. They like to show that they're like really, really smart, but I don't think they really are. But yeah, here's, maybe you can see it. There's how many steps I've done today, and then here's my people I'm going against. It's fun. It's nice to have the challenge thing. Here's if I click on miles. Yeah. Said I've walked 83 miles this week. I don't know how accurate that is. Last year. And but the thing that really is most important, I think, is the active minutes. So if you've been walking for 10 minutes and then you go do more walking, it'll count those as active minutes. So like today I've already got 271, so I'm like a half hour away of 5 hours. So that's worth it. That's cool. But here, let me get back to the, there we go. This stuff's done. I like this one. Alright, let's see what we got in here. And my sister got a Fitbit. She got one of those watch ones. She's all stoked. She's gonna kick butt. She's already doing pretty good. Like I told her though, like, man, be careful. Don't burn yourself out. You don't want to do that. Just go slow. I know it's easy to be impatient when you want to lose weight and do all this stuff, but man, if you burn out and get really sore for like overdoing it one day, you're not going to feel like doing it the next day and just like chilling out. I know what that's all about. The noodles are wider. There's some thing. Some kind of bean. You might, or it's, no, that's not. I was going to say it was a sea vegetable, but I do not think that's what it is, though. Anyways, let's do this up. Alright. Got our eggy wag. Nothing like a little bit of egg. This may be like totally illegal in the world of udon, but I don't care. It's today. I need one of these anyways. Let me grab it from over here. There's the broth. It's definitely a bonito broth. But all the little bits and pieces in here, that's kind of nice. Okay, come on. Well, that little maneuver worked. And yeah, I got over to 99 Ranch last night. And finally, that's what I really hate about the holidays. It caused an interruption in my ability to procure mung bean sprouts. And honestly, when that happens, that's it. I'm done. I'm going home. Nothing makes me more unhappy than the inability to procure mung bean sprouts. You know, it's like I could have the flu. I'll take the flu. Just leave my mung bean sprouts out of everything. Let me have my mung bean sprouts. It's weird, isn't it? But it's just the way I am. So we'll try this little shichimi mix. At least I'm under the impression that's what I have here. Oh yeah, that's a pepper powder. Just kind of do this little area with it. We'll do it in the area. God, there's not a lot of it. Come on, Itomen. Share. Give us more. See how it is with the broth. You can see it in the broth. It's alright. Need more. I'll just use this. And then I got some oil. Use this house chili oil. And some sesame seeds. And I think I'm good with that. I think that's floating my boat. That is about the best I'm gonna get for a side shot. You're looking good, good enough. Maybe if I go like this. Alright, well, cool. What was I gonna say? Yeah, noodles. You people have been asking me a lot about like the actual score I'm gonna give these. I'm not gonna give you that, but I'll just say with these, I'm not super impressed. Does that help? Anyways, yeah, I wouldn't like go out of my way. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Go check out www.theramenraider.com. Like, subscribe, all that crap. I hate saying it, but I guess I need to, right? All right. Cool. Have a good one. Later.